Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on Arris Router. And to do this you'll get two different options, and first one is by using the configuration website. So here I'm logged in. If you have trouble going to this configuration website, you can check our first setup video about this device. Now inside we want to change to troubleshooting. Here select the restart and restore. And then you will see a few different options for reset. There's restart gateway, restart Wi-Fi module, restart Wi-Fi and router, restore Wi-Fi default settings, and restore gateway defaults. You can also back up your settings if you like, or restore settings from the already backed up device, backed up settings like that. Now, if we want to restart it here, click on any button. There's also option to do it without going through configuration website, and to do this you will need to get your router and then find the reset button on the back. It should be right here. Now take something sharp, thin like a needle, and stick it in the gap and press it for around 30 seconds. And when you do so, don't let go of the button and wait till the LED lamps right here flash. That means the factory reset is finished. Now let's try it out. So the restart is successful, and now when we next time boot it up, all settings will be restored to default, and you can find all login information on the back right here as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.